Why you drop back already there now? Hold it. Excuse me, please. Let me see. Let me find the Colonel. Excuse me, please. Colonel, the original teacher. You know, it's a Principal Charlie Chaplin and the Colonel Josie Wale. Anyway, them DJ are there. Me have to find myself there. People, I'm gonna introduce to you the great Colonel Josie Wale. Now go me and make him pass through, man. Colonel, talk it about.
Yes, good evening with all due respect. But I didn't want to sing on Scorpio song because it looked like it's a gang. And I don't like gangsterism. At my age now, it's a retiring stage of my life. And I really appreciate this kind of clash because I love and friend. Oliver, I tried to hide from Oliver a while ago. So I don't want nobody to know that me and Oliver aspire.
Josie, this was not a bomb rush. It's a jam. It is a jam. So come and jam.
Sorry. Oliver, Jack is hitting you too hard. And then I'm a little bit upset because I use power every day and Jack is my virgin. So guess what? I'm going to sing in the middle of this. Right? So, listen. I have no dog in this fight. Running. Selassie. Rastafari live. Outland Jones Wale. Metro Media Black Scorpio. And so we tell them with a big O. We tell them hit from that station. They got the microphone. We love. Every love it say one. Lord of mercy. Selassie, I will tell. Hear this, play my lord. Rasta, if you will. Please send a sexy girl for me to trill. Don't send me one who take the chicken pill. Or she might just get my willy kill. And then it can't stand still. Selassie, I beg you for a nice one, please. Who can cook my Sunday rice and peas? But she must never give me bun or cheese. Or then her neck will be squeezed. King Selassie, I want to send I one with charm. No rotten teeth, I don't want a moldy arm. I want one that can keep I warm until the break up. Selassie, I make it one. The Charlie's up in bird. We love.
Yeah, man. Wait up. Colonel, I have to tell these youths. Relax. You cannot move yet. You have to talk something else. I understand that you're on the line. But you know so everything is fine. Yeah. Run back one of them Everest rhythm there for the Colonel. Yo, Mr. Rebel. You're my general, you know. I'm your power, you know. Me know why you come give me my one song and you know the thing going on Tony Rebel. You name Mr. Rebel, you know. Please. I beg you one song tonight, my boss. I saw the thing go. Yes. Colonel, yeah.
Selassie, I have to send a shout out to Mr. Rebel. Rebel, you're a virgin that sometimes people stood by the sideways and send some remark across and you go with the flow because you're part of that congregation. But then when you meet the individual, I say, this person is far different from those assertions. And sometimes people assess you the wrong way depending on the yardstick that they're using to measure you. Life bigger than everything. I wish I could start this life over. But I say, I shall not live over 70 because the Bible says 70. So 70 is my number. So I want to step off the next 6 or so years. But Wicker, when I'm going, I want to go on the job. Like making love to my female companion. That would be a good way to go. So it's called recycling. I shall come whilst I go. Every love it say go on. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Play me little lower. Brand new. Them say age is just a number. Jack Champion Jones is the obvious proof. Whether you in your sleep or slumber, wake up and got something for you. We come and I say age is just a number. Age is not for you. Lord, whether you're in your sleep or slumber, wake up and got something for you. Lord, you're as young as you feel, and as young me feel. Run up some of them youth up on the football field. Still have the zeal, still real the deal. And then when me pass me have to seal the deal. Still a turn like wheel, have the wheel up. Heaven love it, say one. Selassie, we come on.
You see how Josie will say? Watch it now, just Scorpio. See me general there. Mr. Rebel!
I'm no political, I can know they go connect. I reggae put Jamaica panta.
Yeah, I don't need to tell you.
Like that. Don't stop. Someone will tell you something. Here on. I want you help me pick up Jamaica, the land of food and water. The system might not proper. We love the vibe and the food and the culture. Boy, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. The only problem is how a nice place to live. The only problem is what from the money in your pocket and not in your heart and proud of people. What more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist, a chant and you're so we born and we not jump.
After me went to a dance a Clarendon, then a big fat thing named Pam. Dreadlocks at me reach at the dance gate. The gate man a hold up on me woman and we love. Rebel come here. Rebel. Hold it for a while, Scorpio. Hold it for a while. This is a hold it for a while. Pull up. This is a different kind of vibe. Many years down there, them hasn't seen this kind of vibe. This one, but we make new song every day. Not because you know we hear us on the radio, because the guy on the radio will never get $1 from I to play my song. Pay all go in all your corner. See? Listen, Rebel, this one named Belt. I see some man, the youth them, I don't worry about the youth them, because my youth them don't understand. They'll soon learn not to show your bumper like that. Yes, but some big man of my age, who them pants down and show, I show them body, and I show them buffalo. I vex about them, I fall in love with say belt. Belt! B-E-L-T, belt. Yes, Tony Rebel, Peter Mitchell, Jack Scorpio, the one call Metro Media. Sing Rastafari. This one called the belt. Lord, we tell them, pull up your pants and your waist. And you know, she says a big disgrace. For we don't want them dressing there in our yard. Not even out of we gate. Well, hey boy, I wanna promote. It look like one must be donkey or goat. It's only animal walk with him body out the door. Me never dress so all when me poor. Never gonna move from beside here. Why would you too X-rated and raw? Only Cecile and cases dress around ya. Back a diamond and Chelsea ya. People who don't know I'm not homophobic, but man mustn't dress so drastic, boy. If you want a job for advertise panty waist, look I work with Victoria's Secret. Rebel.
No, Rebel. No, come in the general. The man said, some man will look at job with Victoria's Secret. So what do you think, Rebel? What do you think?
Man, for pull up them pants. Them pants to go on them waist. See? As I would say, Rastafari know. Man fi know soldier. From you I live up as a soldier. You know you when me a say man for no ya. From you a buffalo soldier. That's why I say I Rebel, you swear them up them pants down they say, you know me say. You know me look for them and tell them say rebel. Oh, we know why, no man staring at we face. And we know why, no funny guy pound we base. So me say, we ready to go walk a mile and a half. And the girl go walk. Me say we ready to go walk a mile and a half. And the girl go walk. Colonel, we love.
Woman, I'm speaking to the female companion now. And this is a gender thing. Where men must bathe and all that. And remember, dry your toes before you put on your socks. And behind your ears. And when you're bathing, this might be a little bit outrageous, but please don't wash your body gutter, your muffler. Be careful. Do these things. Your tool, your pencil. Spin your pencil over and give it a clean also. Fresh bread, Franzi and me is not friend. I don't walk with that guy. See? Ever love it to say, one. This one called Love Triangle. Dedicated to me, I drink Beanie Man and Bounty Killer. Fighting over Angel Woman. Take care of the furniture. Take care of the furniture. Lord Jack Scorpion, Metro Media. This is not a clash. One know if a woman or his man have the angle. In a them there's something close a wheel don't tangle. Trouble Rastafari and you get in a trouble. Lord, leave the man and bounty when I see them a war. Leave the man and bounty when I see them a fight. Leave the man and bounty when I see them a war. When them get back together then we have to stay far. Beenie Man and Angel was on TV. While Bounty Killer called me from in Miami. Him say, hey Colonel Josie, do you think this is right? For the doctor take me Angel and I say his wife. Me say Bounty me a bad man, me no live me till life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk on me house with a big flashlight. And if a pin drop come shot I go bite. Oh no, Wale. Selassie I for the love it say one. Wheeler, one more time. No, you know we try to make new songs every day, not because of the way you're celebrating. This one is called Push It Good. Remember, spell it with me. P-U-S-H-H-E-G-O-O-D. Push it. This is not English, this is patois from his loose language. This is Gola from Africa. One more time. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Selassie have mercy. Scorpion, well any man when I watch a woman, them no love them. Me not stop watch my girlfriend. Woman you can't live with them, you can't live without them. Woman is man greatest problem. But if a cat you a push, girl, you push it good. If a bike you a push, girl, you push it good. You push it good, you push it good. Girl, you push it real good. When we in a fall road, slippy and slappy the corner, them white deep and them wetty. Well, I man say, come here, Miss Betty, from me get him in a left girl away and make me happy, me have to give you trophy. You push it good. You push it good, girl, you push it real good. The way she give me bun, me have to change my name to Bunny. It seems like me born in at the middle of the bakery. When you give you money, girl, you notice me not check it. See me new car, the girl go and go wreck it. The player hater, them hate me from the day start. Date me all who used to underrate me, now the whole of them. You push it good. Everybody love it, say one. Rastafari.
Colonel, please, just one more before you move, please. Again, when they go dance, like me not hear this tune. They're not leaving. From Gilly Priest days, come right up. Give me, Colonel.
Selassie, Lord, lift up one more time. Yes, we don't want to overdo it. This is sometime you must not overcome. You hear the Christians sing, we shall overcome. Don't overcome. Little come, half come, or nearly come. Don't overcome. Because you'll get disgusted. I don't want to see you anymore to come with you. Right? Everyone love it, say one. Lord Lord have mercy. We come on, we tell them have mercy. I want you to all the celebrities, each and every individual. Lord, after me went to a dance at Clarendon, me and a big fat thing named Pam. Lord have me reach at the dance gate. The gate man a hold up on me woman and one box me give me 9 blasted face. Here money scatter all over the place. Babylon want the payment in my waist. So I'm on off the bottom with my big 38 here me no trip. Let go me and gate man me coming up. Let go me and gate man me coming. Select a over there so dress up like drag queen. And I'm arms me like wheel up. The youth them make a hustling by selling kids copper. Dreadlocks are dragging at them sweatsuit up. Wheel up, wheel up, wheel up, wheel up, wheel up. We come and you request this. So I have to play it. People, I'm stepping off. But I have to play this one. This one named Kingston Act. Run it. When I did this one, Mr. Palmer, Vibes Cartel was 5-year-old. When I man do this one. Lord, you them make a hustling by selling kids copper. Dreadlocks are jogging at them sweatsuit up. Bad boy and police, a fire pay shot. And if they never skill me, would I reach down in a crisp boat box and looking glass panther. 9 notes, stone wallet down at that. Kingston Act, Black Scorpio, me say Kingston Act. Metro Media, me say Kingston Act. We come and me tell them, me say Kingston. Black Scorpio, hold it and tell them again, you know we never put we head under no girl frack. Mama cook with food in at the big dog spot. Put in scratch, bonnet, pepper and it's so hot. Pick we up and lick we down, we bounce right back. We day a long time from Michael Jackson was black. Long before even Bob Marley dreadlocks, you know we act. We love, I love you. Yo! And the colonel that, here. Tony Rebel and the whole crew. So hear this now. Right now you don't know it going to people. Respect, manners and crew. Hold on, Mackerel, man. Mackerel, hold on, man. Original dancehall we are dealing with. Another something that we are dealing with. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, me general. Hold up. It's another sound time now. So we are going to stay so and listen to another song. So we are going to introduce Major Mackerel. Yeah, man. Them youth here. And them are the master of ceremony right now. Mackerel, me general.
Yes, my brethren, people, welcome to Original Dancehall Thursdays. Me there every night. Me no have a DJ. Me just love when me see a while ago. All who love what you say bad. Say real bad. Alright, yes, my people. Remember the sponsor them, you know. Big up.